know, like the bad guy.
It's okay, Mr.
And,
Lanier. I like you. It's okay. Everybody loves you. You make him
I appreciate that.
We love to hate you.
It has
We
been
wouldn't have them
incredible.
without you, so it's okay.
I appreciate it. It has been incredible to see how much love has been given for the film. And it has been such a pleasure to step into this world and be a part of it and be a part of all of your guys' experience because, I don't know, as actors, it's pretty rare that we get to do something like this, that we get to experience something like this. And all of you being here, taking your time, your money, all this to be in this room right now is incredible. So I